Exercise 4A, question number 1. Number 1A, 6x multiplied by minus 2y. So 6 into minus 2, that will be minus 12. X into y, that is xy. So minus 12xy. Number B, 14x into 1 by 2y. We can easily cancel 14 by 2, then it will be 7. So 7 into x into y, answer will be 7xy. Now number 2. Number 2 says, number 2a, 8x into y minus 1. So we'll multiply 8x multiplied by y minus 1. So 8x into y will be 8xy minus 8x into 1, that will be 8x. Very simple one. Number B. B says minus 9x into 3y minus 2z. So here minus 9 3s are 27 xy minus a plus 9 2s are 18. 9 2s are 18 x into z xz. Okay. Now number C. Number C says thrice x into twice x plus 7y. So 3x into 2x. 3 2s are 6 x square plus 3 7s are 21 x into y xy. Number D. 3y into x minus 11y. So 3y into x, that one will be 3xy minus 3 multiplied by 11, 33y square. Number E. Number E says minus 3a into 2a plus 3b. So minus 3 into 2, that is minus 3 to the 6 a square minus a plus a minus 3 3s are 9ab. Number F, minus 4c into 2c minus 5d. So minus 4 2s are 8 c square minus a plus 4 5s are 20 cd. Now question number 2g. 2g says minus 6h into 7k minus 3h. So minus 6 7s are 42 hk, and now minus a plus 6 3s are 18 h square. Then 2h. 2h says minus 8m into minus 12m minus 7m. So minus a plus 8 12s are 96, 96 m square minus a plus 8 7s are 56 mn. 2i. 2i says 2p into 3p plus q plus 7r. So 2 3s are 6p square plus 2p into q, 2pq plus 2p into 7r. 2 7s are 14 PR. Now 2j. Minus 7s into s minus 40 minus 3u. So minus 7s into s, 7s square minus a plus 7 4s are 28st minus a plus 7 3s are 21su, and that is the solution of 2j. 3a says expand and simplify each of the following expressions. So 3a 7a into 3b minus 4c plus 4a into 3c minus 2b. Now we need to multiply 3b minus 4c at first by 7a. So 7 3s are 21ab minus 7 4s are 28ac plus 4 3s are 12ac minus 4 to the 8ab. Now 21ab minus 8ab, that will be 13ab, minus 28 plus 12, that will be minus 16ac, and that is the answer of 3a. Now 3b. 3b says 4d into d minus 5f plus 2f into 3d plus 7f. Now multiply 4d into d, that will be 4d square, minus 4 5s are 20df plus 2 3s are 6df plus 2 7s are 14f square. Now 4d square minus 20 plus 6 minus 14df plus 14f square. And that is the solution of this problem. Now question number 4. Question number 4 says expand each of the following expressions. X plus y into x plus 6y. So at first we will multiply x by x plus 6y. So x into x plus 6y plus y into x plus 6y. So x into x, x square plus 6xy plus y into x, that will be xy plus y into 6y, 6y square. So final answer will be x square plus 7xy plus 6y square. Now number B. Number B says x square plus 2, x square plus 2 into x plus 5. So we'll multiply x square by x plus 5 at first, then plus 2 into x plus 5. So x square into x will be x cube plus 5 into x square, 5x square plus 2x plus 10. Question number 5. Look, question number 5 says find each of the following product. So 5a, we will multiply minus 3 by 7x multiplied by 14 by 9y. At first we multiply 14 by 7, that is 7 to the 14, and 9 by 3 will be 3. So answer will be minus 2 by 3 x into y. So minus 2xy by 3. Then number B. Here we will multiply 9 by 3 at first. 9 3s are 27. X cube into x square, that will be x to the power 3 plus 2 5, and y into y square will be y to the power 1 plus 2 y cube. Then number C, 2x cube y. So 2x cube y multiplied by minus 13y square. So minus 13 to the 26, x cube y into y square will be y cube. Simple. Number D. Minus 4xyz into minus 2x square y cube z to the power 4. So here minus a plus 4 to the 8. X into x square will be x cube. Y into y cube will be y to the power 4. Z into z to the power 4 will be z to the power 5. Done. Number 6. Number C, expand. So we multiply minus 3xy 6a minus 3xy into x minus 12. So minus 3x into x square. So minus 3x square y minus a plus 3 to the 6 x y into y square. Okay. Number B, 9x into minus. So 9 into minus, that means minus 3 9s are 27. X into x square will be x cube, and y minus 9 7s are 63. X into x square z. Simple. Number C, minus 13 into 3 minus 39. X square into x cube, y. Minus a plus 13 x square, y into y square. Simple. Number D. Minus a plus 5 6 are 30 x square. Minus a plus 5 4 are 20. X into x cube will be x to the power 4y. Minus a plus 5 3 are 15 x y. And that is the solution of question number 6. Now, question number 6. Question number 6 is expand each of the following expressions. So 6a, minus 3xy into x minus 2y. So minus 3xy into x, that one will be minus 3x square y, minus 7 is a plus 3 to just 6xy square. Now b, 9x into minus 3. So 9 into minus 3 minus 27. X into x square, x cube, y. 9 into minus 7, 9 7 just 63. X into x, x square, z. Number C. Minus 13 into 3, minus 39. X square into x, x cube, y. Minus a plus 13 x square y square. Now D. Minus a plus 5 6 are 30 x square. Minus a plus 5 4 are 20 x to the power 4 y. Minus a plus 5 3 are 15 x y. Done. Okay. Now number 7. Number 7a. A into 5b plus c. So at first we will write a into 5b plus c minus 2a into 3c minus b. So a into 5b, that one will be 5ab plus ac minus 2 3s are 6ac minus a plus 2ab. Now 5ab plus 2ab, that will be 7ab, 1ac minus 6ac, that will be minus 5ac. Then 7b. 7b says minus 2d into 4f minus 5h minus f into 3d plus 7h. So minus 2 4 ja 8 fd minus 1 is a plus 2 5 are 10 dh minus 3 fd minus a plus a minus 7 fh. So minus 8 minus 3 minus 11 fd plus 10 dh minus 7 fh. Done. Now 7c. 4k into 3k plus m minus 3k into 2k minus 5m. 4 3s are 12. K into k square plus 4km minus 3 2s are 6 k square minus a plus 3 5s are 15 km. So 12 minus 6, 12 minus 6, 6k square plus 4 plus 15, that means plus 19 km. Done. Now number D. Number D says 2n into p minus 2n, that means 2n into p minus 2n minus 4n into n minus 2p. So 2n into p, that will be 2pn minus 2 to the 2 to the 4n square minus 4n into n 4n square minus 7 is a plus 4 to the 8 pn. Now 2 plus 8, that will be 10pn minus 4 minus 4 minus 8n square. A plus 3b into a minus b. So a into a, that means a square minus a multiplied by b, ab, plus 3b into a, that will be 3ab, plus a minus 3b square. So right now a square minus ab plus 3ab, that means plus 2ab minus 3b square, and that is the solution of 8a. Now 8b. 8b says 3c plus 7d into c minus 2d. So here 3c multiplied by c minus 2d plus 7d into c minus 2. So 3c into c will be 3c square minus 3 2s are 6 cd plus 7 c into d 7 cd plus a minus a minus 7 2s are 14 d square. Now what will be the final answer? Final answer will be 3c square minus 6 plus 7 plus 1, that means plus cd minus 14 d square. Then what about number C? Number C says 3k into minus h. So 3k into minus h, that will be minus 3kh. 3k into minus 7k, that will be minus 3 7s are 21 k square. Minus a plus 5h into h, that will be 5h square. Minus a plus 5 7s are 35hk. So what will be the final answer? Minus 21k square plus 5h. So I'm writing 5h square at first. Then minus 21k square. 35 minus 3, that will be 32hk. Okay. Now number D. Number D says 7m square into m. So we can write it here. 7m square into m will be 7m cube minus 7 4s are 28m square plus 2 into m 2m plus 2 into minus 4 minus 8. Question number 10 says expand each of the following expressions. So A, x plus 9y into x plus 3y plus 1. So at first we will multiply x by all of these three terms. So x into x, x square plus x into 3y, 3xy plus x into 1x plus 9y into x, 9xy plus 9 3s are 27 y square plus 9y into 1 9y. So what will be the final answer? X square 3 plus 9, 3xy plus 9xy, that will be 12xy plus 27y square plus 6 plus 9y plus 6 plus 9y. Done. And number B, x plus 2 multiplied by x square plus x plus 1. So at first we will multiply x by this one. So x into x square x cube plus x into x square plus x into 1x plus 2 into x square 2x square plus 2x plus 2. What will be the final answer? X cube plus 2 plus 1 3x square plus 3x plus 2.